The first video of a series that I am building with Thrive Theme Builder. In this video, I will show how to install Thrive Architect and Thrive Theme Builder and get started with them. Here I am logged in as a member of the Thrive Themes. Once I am logged in, I am presented with a dashboard like this, and here I find the Thrive Product Manager plugin. And this is the plugin I would need to get started with the installation. So let's download it. Okay, so here I have the Thrive Product Manager downloaded, and this is a fresh WordPress installation. Here I will install that Product Manager plugin. Well, one quick thing to point out is that look at this URL. This is one of my staging sites. One thing to keep in mind while working with Thrive Architect or Thrive Theme Builder is that you cannot get started with this in a local system. You have to install it in a remote server using cPanel or whatever that host provides. So basically what I'm trying to say is a remote system with a domain name or a subdomain name is required in order for that plugin to work. So let's go try to install that plugin. Upload plugin, install, activate. Okay, so now we have installed and activated Thrive Product Manager. So let's go there. Okay, so here, first thing we have to do is log on to our Thrive account. All right, I'm logged in, and now from this dashboard, I can install whatever other plugins or widgets I need. In this situation, to get started, we need this one, Thrive Theme Builder, and also Thrive Architect. So let's install them. All right, so they're all installed and ready to go. The next thing we need to do is go to the Product Manager page so that we can make sure that the main two tools for our project, Thrive Architect and Thrive Theme Builder, are ready to use right here. And once we know that they are ready to go, we are ready to start our project. But before we do, let me explain the Thrive workflow that I follow in my day-to-day site development. For that, let's go to a diagram. Okay, so there are two different workflows I mainly follow. Let's say this is the website I'm currently working on with Thrive. Now, if this is a simple site where just Thrive would be enough, I don't need any additional help like custom SaaS or JavaScripting, then I normally go on leaving the project online, keep working on a live site, just like this one right here. But the problem with that is this site remains exposed to the internet, right? So let's say I finish my today's work, but tomorrow I come back to find some hacker or malware is infected my site. So there goes all my work. To protect that, at the end of each workday, I make a backup of this current project and upload to my Google Cloud for safekeeping. And I follow a certain naming convention that helps me in case of accidents of this type. Kind of like this right here. As you can see, the site name and which day of the work was finished, 1, 2, 3, 4, just like that. That way, if something does go wrong, I can easily restore from my cloud backup and keep going with my project. But maintaining a strict discipline is a must. On the other hand, the second workflow I have is that right after I install my tools like Thrive Architect and Theme Builder, as you saw, I make a backup and clone that site locally. Because right after I install those products, I'm not going to need the internet for a while. Because as you saw here, I needed to stay connected to my Thrive account in order for me to install these products. But once they are done, I can just roll it up and clone it in my local system, and that has some extra advantages. First of all, even if I lose my internet connection, in the middle of work, no problem, because I'm working locally. On top of that, if I have to add some extra CSS or Sass or custom JavaScript which needs compilation, I can easily set those up in my local system and integrate those with my Thrive project. And once everything is said and done, then I can roll it all back up and reinstall here for client to see. That way, I don't have to follow that strict discipline of backing up every day because it's in my local system, it's already secure. And at the same time, I don't have to worry about some hacker or malware infection. So now, in the end, it's up to you which workflow you want to follow. And that would be all for this video. But in the next video, I will show how I back up my site, upload to my Google Cloud, and clone the same site locally for further usage. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please smash the like button and the subscribe button. This will help me bring more free contents like this to you every week. Thanks again.